This tutorial is for users that are new to SmartVault, and it will give you a basic orientation to the SmartVault portal. You can get to the SmartVault portal by clicking on the link that should be on your desktop after you install the SmartVault desktop software, or from within any web browser you can type my.smartvault.com and go right to the portal and sign in. So after you sign into the portal, you should see a screen that looks something like this. You can see in the right hand corner, in the upper right hand corner, you can see the current user that you're logged in as. And on the left hand side is what we call the tree view. I'm going to go ahead and click on my account, and when you click on the account, on the right hand side you can always see tasks that go with whatever you've clicked in the tree view. So account tasks include things like being able to manage your bill, manage administrators, things that are setting up your custom branding, things that are account wide inside SmartVault. There are also containers. We've got a container here for clients. There's also employees, your firm documents. Let's go ahead and drill down into the clients container and see what it looks like. We've got an alphabetical containers that your clients will be sorted into as you import data from SmartVault. And you can see that each client has what we call a vault that has got a file cabinet icon for each client. The folders that you see here may look a little bit different inside your SmartVault account, but as you click from folder to folder, you can see that the tasks on the right hand side will change, and so will the contents in the middle. So for example, if I click on the Les Paul vault, I can see the folders that are at that vault, and on the right hand side we can see tasks we can do at the vault level, like creating a new folder. And as I click on a folder here, for example our tax year 2013, we can see the contents of that folder. In the middle you can see there is a search window. You can type in a phrase here to search on a document in SmartVault. This will actually search the file name as well as the contents of the file. You can see in this folder we've got our four folders that are under the tax year 2013, as well as the files that the client can see, like the client copy of the tax return and the government copy of the tax return that are in this folder. Any contents here, if I want to click on that link, for example, let's go ahead and click on the client copy. It'll actually take us to a preview where we can pull the document right up and view the document inside the client portal. We can click on a thumbnail view where we can view thumbnails on the left hand side of the screen. You can zoom. Right from here you can even print the document. You can download the document. You can send a link to a file to the client if you want. And we have full version control in SmartVault, so you've got a version history of all your documents. You'll be able to go to a prior version and access any old version of a file if you've got multiple versions. So let's go back into the portal and take a look around at a few other features. So also in every folder you can set your notification settings. So this is where you can tell SmartVault if you want to be emailed if a new file is uploaded to that folder, or if you want to be emailed if a file in that folder has been downloaded or viewed. On every folder you can always also see, if you're an administrative user, who has access to the folder. So we can see in this folder our client has access. Les Paul is our client contact, so Les can get access to his tax returns. Now this is how SmartVault is both a document management system and a client portal in one. We can specify which folders we want our clients to have access to, and when the client logs in, they're only going to see those folders. All the other folders will be invisible to them. So for example, if we look at the work papers folder, we can see the client does not have access to that folder. So unless Paul logs in, he won't even see that that folder is there. He's only going to be able to see the documents in his tax year 2013 folder, and he'll have access to his source documents folder, where you can see he actually has full access, so Les can upload documents to that folder as well. So this is a basic introduction to the SmartVault portal. The left hand side is the tree view. The right hand side shows you tasks that are available for the current object that you've selected in the tree view, and in the middle pane you can see the contents and always be able to set your notification settings and see who has access to the files in that folder.